Stop! Before you pour another drop of oil into your engine, look at this. Most drivers are unknowingly killing their cars with the most popular brands on the market. Today we're ranking 8 synthetic oils, and the top spot is definitely not who you think. If you want to avoid a massive $5,000 mechanic bill and push your engine past 300,000 miles, you cannot afford to skip this video. Check the description for links to the genuine oils, and let's get right into the ranking. Number 8. Sinclair Lubricants OPALINE Full Synthetic 5W30. Starting off our list is Sinclair OPALINE. This is a highly reliable oil designed for modern gasoline engines. It uses advanced additive technology to maintain viscosity under demanding conditions, and it features excellent LSPI protection, which is crucial for modern turbocharged engines. It meets the strict ILSAC GF7A standards, but while it is a fantastic entry-level synthetic, it lacks the extreme high heat threshold of our top contenders. Number 7. TRIAX Synergy SRT 5W30. Now, while number 8 is great for daily driving, TRIAX at number 7 is for those who want 84% less wear. That's the difference between a car that lasts 100,000 miles and one that easily hits 300,000. TRIAX engineered this oil with built-in nanoboron and moly friction modifiers. It protects critical parts like cams, tappets, and turbochargers, and offers a massive 20,000-mile drain interval. Plus, it produces 50% fewer deposits, keeping your engine completely sludge-free. Number 6. Castrol Edge Extended Performance 5W30. Castrol Edge is a household name for a reason. This advanced full synthetic is built for endurance and is backed by a massive 20,000-mile warranty. It excels in keeping metal parts separated under extreme pressure. For everyday commuting, Castrol Edge is nearly bulletproof. However, in extreme track day heat, it didn't quite match the thermal stability of our top 4. Castrol is good, but wait until you see the natural gas technology at number 3. It completely changes how we think about oil purity. Number 5. Valvoline Extended Protection 5W30. Valvoline consistently surprises veteran mechanics. This oil features dual defense additive technology. That means it combines an advanced wear-resistant booster with a highly fortified detergent system. It delivers 60% stronger wear protection and 20 times better heat protection than industry standards. Valvoline is the ultimate safe choice for drivers who want uncompromising reliability. Number 4. Mobil 1 Extended Performance 5W30. Here is where the heavy hitters step in. Mobil 1 is legendary, and their extended performance line utilizes their Triple Action Plus formula. This oil provides outstanding engine performance and cleanliness with the added benefit of maximum power delivery. Where Mobil 1 truly shines is its extreme temperature range. It provides excellent internal heat protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and cold start protection all the way down to -40 degrees. If you live in a climate with extreme freezing winters or scorching summers, Mobil 1 is your engine's best friend. Number 3. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W30. Now we enter elite territory. Remember that natural gas technology I mentioned earlier? Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is completely unique because it is not made from crude oil. It is made directly from natural gas. This proprietary process results in one of the purest base oils on the planet. It literally prevents loss of power by keeping piston rings completely free of carbon buildup. Pennzoil is so confident in this formula that it comes with a 20-year, 750,000-mile warranty. Before we reveal our number 1 German king, let's look at the only oil on this list that handles extreme European performance like an absolute pro. Number 2. Motul 8100X X-Cess Gen 5W40. If you drive a European car, a BMW, Porsche, Audi, or Mercedes, this is the holy grail. Motul X-Cess Gen 2 carries formal OEM approvals across the entire European performance landscape. This oil is engineered with thermal stability that handles turbocharged and direct injection engines flawlessly. It has a massive flash point of 442 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it stays stable during intense track days and sustained high RPM highway pulls. Motul is the ultimate bridge between daily driving and professional motorsport. Number 1. Liqui Moly Leichtlauf High-Tech 5W40. Most drivers assume the top spot would go to an American staple, but the data doesn't lie. The absolute best all-around synthetic oil on the market is Liqui Moly. This German-engineered synthesis technology oil is virtually flawless. It provides incredibly rapid oil delivery at low temperatures, ensuring your engine is never starved of lubrication during cold starts. This isn't just oil, it's German engineering for your engine's soul. If you care about your car's longevity, this is the only choice. Whether you are pushing a high-performance turbocharger to its absolute limit, or just want your daily driver to outlast its chassis, Liqui Moly delivers outstanding engine cleanliness and massive wear protection. Mechanics trust it blindly, and it is the undisputed king of our list. Upgrading to any of the top-tier oils on this list will give your engine a second life. But remember, a cheap oil filter will destroy a great synthetic oil in seconds. If you want to protect your investment, I have put direct links to all 8 of these exact oils in the description below. Buying through those links guarantees you get the genuine product. Which oil are you currently running in your car? Let me know in the comments right now. Hit that like button, subscribe to AutoRift for more hardcore automotive truths, and I will see you in the next video.